I mean, this is the ultimate challenge, and everyone knows that around the world now. They're all coming here for Sika because this is a hard bloody hunt.
It's hard, but it is fun.
You're basically hunting in thick spruce. You can just come here and you can just take a slow, steady walk on like a logging road and just wait for the animal. Then we offer like a farmland hunt where you're hunting like pasture fields, little swamp, little bogs, which is obviously more of a challenge because there's so much like cover in here. And then for like the ultimate guys up on the it's like more of a challenge because you're hunting in like an animal's back doorstep and they have every advantage. They can walk into the trees within a second or two, so everything's on their side.
And they winded us, and they were just gone like that. And all we saw was their the rear ends flashing through the forest.